Good morning. Well, we opened at yet another record high for the benchmark Nifty 50. We opened at 15,773.9 and proceeded to hit a new lifetime high of 15,778.8. But with 15,800 just within sniffing distance, the Nifty 50 cooled off just a tad bit. Several things panning out. Let's take you through that, in fact. Perhaps to a certain extent, some bit of fatigue creeping in after the kind of rally that we've seen over the past couple of weeks in support and momentum regarding the opening up of the economy once again as cases of COVID-19 subside. So the latest update, of course, is that the daily case count has fallen to around 85,000 or, of course, below 1 lakh. After quite a while, and that's a significant development. It comes just about a month after India reported as many as 4.12 lakh cases. That's the peak that India faced. And at the same time, there was the announcement last evening about the vaccine program being taken over by the central government starting the 21st of June. So there's a probability of better procurement of vaccines over the course of the next several months. Prime Minister Modi spoke about the fact that procurement will become a little easier now. Hopefully that vaccination drive is going to ramp up, and that's exactly what investors seem to be focusing on as well. However, at this moment there is a bit of cooling down, perhaps to a certain extent profit booking. Foreign institutions also booked a little bit in yesterday's session, selling after about three sessions in the green, and significant buying at that. They sold on a net basis about 186 odd crore rupees worth of equity. Now, just to take you through what the picture is, Nifty 50 currently down about 0.3% after having opened about 0.2% in the green. You have the likes of Infi, Tech Mahindra, TCS, quite a few IT names up and about in the top 5 gainers. And you have the metal companies that are lagging today. You have Tata Steel, JSW Steel and Hindalco in that order, losing close to 3% and Tata Steel losing about 2%. Now, the sectoral picture will actually tell you something more, in that the only sectors that are doing reasonably well are the defensives. And that's to be expected. Nifty IT up about 1.2% and an FMCG index up about 0.3%. Pharma is languishing down about 0.8%. All of the other indices, in fact, are also losing ground. You have the metals pack that is losing the most ground because it was the most bullish trade in the recent past, down about 2%. Now, the market breadth overall is clearly favoring the declines at this moment, and you have the broader markets that are also cooling off after 4 days of gains. Not substantial losses at this point, about 1/3%, so we'll have to see if that holds out. We'll have to, of course, wait and watch to see if these levels are maintained or if selling takes us lower once again. That's something that we'll know by the end of perhaps another couple of sessions. As of now, it is treading water for the benchmark indices and also for the broader markets that have looked particularly buoyant over the last couple of weeks.